It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture. Let's not even talk about it.
Let's do it.
Go. I see your jealousy as you're watching. You're watching. It's kinda sexy to me how you're watching. You're watching. I see it. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind. Let's go do it.
What are you guys playing? Are you guys excited? You guys having fun practicing?
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. There's something broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know.
That will bring us back to dawn.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, so, re, fa, la, ti, do, mi, so, re, fa, la, ti, re, mi, so, re, fa, la, ti, do, 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 come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just stick out my chin and grin and say, oh, the sun'll come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow.
Augustus Gloop, the great bakery nincompoop. Augustus Gloop, so big and vile, so greedy, foul, and infantile. Come on, we cry, the time is right, this engine shooting up the pipe.
But don't, dear children, be alarmed.
Augustus Gloop will not be harmed. Augustus Gloop will not be harmed.
dramatic. Why, it's greased lightning.